Howdy, folks. We're live again at 10:29, just as the clock turned to 10:30, battling for Spencer's Yak Face. Somewhere up here. There he is. He's a peach. I got 150 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There we have him. Copy him here. Paste him here. 150 of them. It's a biggin. Nice fill. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 3 there. I'm rolling again. We got a 7. We're golden. Good luck, guys and gals, perhaps, on a list this big. Bill, round 1. Gary, 2. Matt, 3. Rock, 4. Steve, 5. Gary again on top in round 6, which brings us to the all-important last round. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Mark, in at number 139. Congrats, Mark. Here's the verification code and official results. XTNOVH, Mark DeGiorgio, in at number 139, is the victor of the awesome Yak Face, AFA 85. Oh, I'm done at 10:31. There she is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you guys. Thank you.